Today I got this 2001 Chrysler PT Cruiser with a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. I'm going to show you how to replace the spark plugs and wires today. Anyways, if you're subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. I got a little bit of a sore throat, so if I sound funny, that's why. Let's pop up on this cover. So unplug our map sensor. Pull back on the little red tab. Push down on that other tab. Now when I do tune-ups like this, I try to remove as little as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and take these intake bolts out, because I'm going to show y'all a shortcut. These are 8mm bolts. All right. This is usually a bracket right there, a locking bracket, 13mm. I don't know if you can see that or not. Right there underneath the intake boot. Retrieve your bolt. Alright. I haven't tuned one of these up in a good minute, so you'll just bear with me here. You got the EGR pipe, that's right. Right back in here. Not all these had an EGR, this one does. Two 8mm bolts. Without dropping them. Okay. And the other side is a 13mm, which that's retarded. Pardon my French. I don't remember that. Let me get a stubby 13.
2021. It's a standalone series with nods to the original. And just coming from a fan standpoint, when
I might need a swivel. We'll find out.
The Easter egg. Oh, that was a good way of doing it. We like some visitors along the way, which is when we have
that coolant bottle in the perfect spot. See what I'm doing here. Alright. Oh, and that went all the way down. You should be able to pull out your pipe. All these PT Cruiser 2.4 liters are pretty similar. Not all of them have that EGR pipe in the intake either. I just want to get it up just enough to get to the wires and plugs. So what I usually do is I'll take like a long screwdriver or an extension, and trap the intake. Alright, let's pull up on your wires. Get those out of our way. Let me get my headlamp for y'all. I feel like there's not enough light. I want y'all to be able to see everything I'm doing. Alright, we're going to take our 5/8. That one's probably a little short. Let's see. Yeah, I'm starting to get sick. Shorter one.
Losing streak Monday with a victory over the Milwaukee Bucks.
Where's my short one?
The team is off to
Oh well. Just have to use this one.
a high school senior has a big decision to
I
make.
don't know where it's at right now. I just cleaned up my tools. You know how it goes when you clean up, you can't find nothing. Alright, this is on my spark plug sockets.
Taking college courses. She hopes to
So we'll
attend
retrieve
one of
it.
the top 5 schools and major in criminal justice. She says her
Whether they're magnetic or whether they got rubber in them, I've never been able to keep a spark plug socket for long that will grab the plug out. I used to warranty my magnetic ones out. I just don't do it anymore because they last like a couple months and they're right back to the same old ordeal. Just always check make sure they're not bent. They're pre-gapped. If you want to gap it, you can. I want to say this one's 35, maybe 45. Actually, it says 50 right here. So, I can pretty much look at a spark plug and see that it's right when you've been doing this for 25 years. But if you're more comfortable gapping them, go ahead. Spark plug socket's a little short. I probably should have added a little bit more extension to it. I'm just bottoming them out and then I'm doing another like quarter turn. Now, time to change the wires. There's no specific way, they're not any different lengths, so just make sure you put them on the right cylinder. That's why you do one at a time. And the coil's number 2. I don't know if you can see those numbers. One, 2, 3, 4. And pop that in. Make sure they slide all the way over until you feel them click. That one was tough. You want to feel that click. Because once you put it back together and you didn't get them seated right, you're going to have to pull that intake right back off. Number 3. And number 4. All right. Now, You're going to want to change your intake O-rings when you got this intake off. Because once you pull that intake and bolt it back down, they might not seat good. Oh, look, a spider.
Good Day Atlanta at 10 starts right now.
They give you two different sets because they have two different intakes on these cars. This one's got the square ones. Those are triangle. Take you a pick. No certain way these go. Doesn't matter. I'll have to get back to that one. All right. Okay. I'm gonna seat her back down, y'all. Make sure you get that EGR pipe to go back in. Yeah, that was easy. I'll come back to that. Probably didn't even need to unplug that, but I didn't want to rip the wire out. Rip the wires out of the connector. Then you turn an easy tune up into having to repin the terminals. Yeah, I'm definitely getting sick. I got the sniffles. I just got over the frickin' coronavirus a few weeks ago. It's crazy. Can't catch a break. I'm sure they're all. What am I doing? Yeah, I'm definitely getting sick. I'm slipping. I'm gonna put another extension on there instead of the socket. I'm a dork. All right.
We expect the state to argue there was no basis for an involuntary manslaughter charges.
What I'll do is I'll just slightly run them down, corner to corner, in a crisscross pattern. And I'll go back over them one more time. Like that. Alright, now the fun part. That thing's all the way back down there. Get flipped. It makes no sense why they got two different size bolts. But the smaller one goes on the left. Alright. I'm on start. Come on. Hold my mouth right. There we go. I think I got it. I'll run them down as far as I can by hand. Push that valve in, out of that pipe. Tail the bottom out. And we won't have to ratchet as long, as far. I'll grab our 8 and a 13. Get all our tools out of the way. Go over yourself. Gotta put that bracket back on. Always double, triple check yourself. Alright. 13 and the long extension, wherever that might have went. Oh, it's right here.
All right, Brian, thanks so much. Time now 10:06. So you can chat with us for Let's Talk this days. Dolly Parton's 76 interview last year's beauty routine. She likes to use Pond's cold cream cleanser, Vaseline, Max Factor,
All right.
and Maybelline. She calls it
Okay. Make sure I don't think I could disconnect anything else. My mind is crap today because I don't feel good. But we got through it, y'all. Go in there and fire this bad boy up. Make sure it's running on all cylinders. Check it out of the way. Okay. Couple snap throttles. Yeah, we good, y'all. Anyways, sorry for all the technical difficulties, but we did it. And that saved y'all a lot of time if you do it the way I did it. I hope y'all like this video. Y'all please subscribe. Check like. Peace out, YouTube.